In this video, you will see journey and corridor tracking using 3D LiDAR, access control, and video. In this scenario, office management has been notified of stolen equipment that may be tied to an employee named Sophia. Sophia has notified management that she has misplaced her employee badge. As we watch the scene play out from the video management system, we notice that indeed Sophia is not at the office, but a bad actor who is using her badge ID. Immediately upon entering the door, the 3D LiDAR sees the person of interest as they walk through the 3D point cloud. Since the door has an event zone, we immediately slew to cue the camera and begin tracking him. As he walks through the hall, the camera continues to get geolocation data from QTrack. As we see on the map overlay, we have indeed found our culprit. QTrack will continue to track every footstep the person of interest takes throughout the property. Reach out to us for more information on this and other features we can provide.